How to turn off ghost mode on my location on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. After this, when your Snap is opening guys, you go down or you go here on your profile and click. Then when your profile is opening, like you go here to settings and click again. Then you will go down to see my location and click, and you will find here ghost mode. You will just turn off this option by clicking here on this place like this, and now everyone can watch your location on Snapchat. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.